This is Ring Road 3 in Akwa Ibom State.
We are here this afternoon to flag off Ring Road 3. And this road traverses 3 local government areas. But the attraction for me is because we have a housing estate on this road. When I visited this road, saw the beautiful houses, and I visited the estates. I saw those houses, but there was no road. It's like building a city in a jungle. So that spurred me to say we should open up this road. I can assure you very sincerely that there is no part of Akwa Ibom State we will not cover. As we speak right now, we are opening up the road to Eastern Obolo. The road to the local government, properly aligned, and is being constructed right now. We will reach everywhere in this state with development.
Let me stand on existing protocol. Your Excellency, this road has a layout of 60 meters, like all other ring road in Akwa Ibom State. But the construction width is 32 meters, as enunciated by the Commissioner for Works. I just want to say that I was given 30 months to complete this project, Your Excellency. But I want to say today and assure the governor of Akwa Ibom State, and assure the people of Akwa Ibom State, and assure the people of Uyoplaza and Idoro that we'll complete this road in 13 months. That means by April 2025, this road will be fully completed for His Excellency to commission in May. I make that commitment today with full responsibility. Your Excellency, we have already started the project, and we are moving with speed and quality. And I want to assure you, Your Excellency, and the people of Akwa Ibom, that we are going to give the best quality of road ever constructed in the history of mankind will be on this road. And I'm going to give guarantee, Your Excellency, this road will last more than 100 years. That means in my lifetime or after my lifetime, any crack will be done by me or my children or children without any risk. But I'm sure of what we are doing. I trust our workers, and I want to assure you that this work will be done by Akwa Ibomites and other Nigerians. There will be no extra person, no expatriates, because we know how to do it. Our people can do it, and we'll demonstrate it once again. The Ring Road 3 extension will be done by our own people. Thank you, Your Excellency, for this commitment.
The road is under construction, so I'm bringing this to you so that you can see the latest development in Akwa Ibom State. So this is Ring Road 3, and the other way is the Stadium Road. So this is the road that is under construction. So I'm bringing this to you. You can see the latest development in Akwa Ibom State. Hello guys, so this is where they have stopped for now. So I just say, since I'm in Akwa Ibom, let me show you how far the latest developments in Akwa Ibom and how far they have gone with the construction. So this is where we are now, where they have stopped for now, and you see they still have a long way to go. And as the construction continues, when next we are in Akwa Ibom, we'll bring the update to you. So this is Ring Road 3, is under construction. So guys, this road will lead to Ibenobeach, from Stadium Road to Idoro Road, then down to Ibenobeach. So I just let me show you how far and the latest development and the construction that is ongoing. All right, thank you.